Today, Uganda has celebrated 43rd Tarehe Sita Anniversary, and the function has been officiated by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, who was accompanied by the First Lady and Minister for Education, Janet Tarehe Museveni, at a function held in Bugweri District. In his speech, President Museveni promised to tighten security in Uganda, saying that current security agencies are capable and educated, having started the culture of recruiting educated army.
On the side of security, we are going to tighten security. We have a strong army. The police forces, the intelligence services, the Prison and Wildlife Authority. They are all very capable and educated.
President Museveni added that having educated army makes it easy to build a stronger force.
We started the culture of recruiting educated people in the army. Different from Idi Amin and the colonialists who are recruiting illiterate people. Now because of that, these people learn very quickly. So it is very easy for us to build a very strong force. And I'm very glad all these countries are here.
He further noted that many of the security problems are regional, where terrorists are in many African countries, hence need for regional solution on security matters.
Many of the security problems are now regional. You find the terrorists are in Somalia. They are in Congo, DRC. They are even in our country of Mozambique. They are in Central African Republic. Sometimes they go to South Sudan. And the ones of South Sudan, they are also who are here, who disturb South Sudan from the refugee camps. So we need a regional solution, which is what we are working on.
Consequently, he instructed General Mbasu Wilson Mbadi, the commander of the APDF army, establish a collaborative effort with the military leaders from African countries such as Tanzania, Rwanda, DRC, Algeria, Kenya, and other countries.
I am glad all these brothers are here. We should hear the CDF talk with your colleagues so that we have regional approach. Because these are simple things, but if you work together, it will be much easier.
Additionally, Museveni emphasized that the implementation of digital number plates in the country will effectively tackle the matter of security.
Like, for instance, we have seen how the cameras have helped. But there are still some gaps. We are now also going to introduce electronic vehicle number plates. So that we don't waste time with investigation.
President Museveni applauded the people of Busoga for supporting the struggle of liberation that brought peace and security.
To thank the people of Busoga for being together with other Ugandans and supporting the struggle.
Bawagira okulwana olutalo olw'okwenunula.
Here, I started operating here in 1971-72.
Natandika okolera muno mu mwaka 1972.
He further mentioned that countries such as Tanzania and Mozambique deserve a recognition for their significant contributions to the country's liberation movement.
Our liberation was not only by ourselves only.
Okwenunula tikwali bo bonka.
And I'm very happy to have a delegation from Tanzania.
Nsanyuka okuba n'abagenyi okuva e Tanzania.
Stand up. Mwalimu Nyerere helped us a lot.
Mwalimu Nyerere yatuyamba ino.
In training,
okutendeka,
in equipment,
mu birwanisa ebyokozesa.
Even he committed Tanzanian army to fight Idi Amin.
Yaleta n'amagye okudda okulwanisa Amin.
The other country which helped us
ensi edindi edatuyambako
was Mozambique.
Yali Mozambique.
So when you talk about the history, talk about it properly.
Bwe twogera nga twogera ebyafaayo obulungi.
Tanzania, Mozambique.
Tanzania, Mozambique.
During the celebrations, 51 medals of Royal Triangle, Narubare Medal, Longo Service with Good Conduct, and others have been awarded to different people, including 6 females. Julius Momza, reporting for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.